Yo, what's good, people? Hustle in the house, you already know. I just want to share something with y'all. Maybe I can help a couple people. I don't normally do these videos and all this, but this is important, man. You see this? Turn the camera around and show you where it is. That's trash. See that ring? That is where that belongs. This right here. This little bling ring that goes, you guessed it, on your ignition. Don't do it. That's okay. If you buy one of these online, they're going to try and toss you this with it. Don't put this on your car. Do not put this around your ignition. It has adhesive, like a white plastic foam with sticky adhesive. They think that's okay. No. If you put this on your ignition, your car will not start. It doesn't matter what you do, because I did it. Change the fuel pump, change the filter, ran the gas line, no pinches, no leaks, blew through the gas line, check the carburetor, fuel injectors, coil, change the starter, the ground, turned the engine over, timing chain, this and that, crankshaft positioner, fuse, the relay. Maybe it's none of those. It's this. This right here. The cause of all the problems. Some of the adhesive is still there. But now, the car cranks. If you want the bling, your car better have wings, because it's not going to drive. If you want to be fly, you better fly. Simple as that. This shit will make your car not start. I don't know any other way to put it. This is basura. Don't put it on your car. Hustle. Grind over matter. PSA.